Hello guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys my 2021 bike check, so let's get into the video. So to get this video started, many of you guys have been wondering what brand of bike I have, and this is the Nordest Bardino. So this is a steel frame. You can get it in titanium, but I like the steel frame better because personally I like the design better. And the idea of this bike is it has a super slack and steep head angle, so it can plow down downhill trails and enduro trails, but not necessarily comfortable, but fast. And to start it off, it has a Fox Kashima root beer float on the front, and it has the low speed, high speed compression switch, has the rebound control on the bottom. We got the 2 air chambers to let out spare air on the lower legs. We got the Chris King spacers, Chris King headset with the race face stem, race face bars. Then we got the ODI grips, which are a little bit old. We got the TRP back brake, which is 4 piston, and the TRP disc. We got the 2 piston Shimano XT on the front with a Shimano disc. We got the Wolf Tooth dropper lever with the Fox transfer on the back with the Pro saddle. And then we got the XTR derailleur, which is, as you guys can see, it is 11 speed with the SRAM cassette, SRAM chain, carbon cranks, V2 pedals, and then we also got the Industry 9 hub, which sounds super nice. We got the Magic Marys with DH version with tire invaders front and back, and I am running these tubeless 2020 on both PSIs, and that's, I think, pretty much it, besides the carbon boot protectors, which are from Raceface. And yeah, so you guys may be wondering what the Rugged Ride is, and that is a mountain bike series that I'll be filming, and it's basically my progression to ride Fort Hill by the end of the summer on a hardtail. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.